Alright, congrats on requesting the video. Okay, let me get a notepad real quick and I'm going to actually share with you guys the method real quick. It's pretty simple method, guys. It's pretty unique too. If you don't know me, I actually retired myself around the age of 40. Just to let you guys know where I'm at. I actually do internet marketing now. I mean, I do not internet marketing I'm sorry, I'm in the internet marketing industry now. I didn't actually retire from this industry, but when I retired, I actually started coming out here teaching people. So I actually teach people now. So you're gonna learn something pretty cool today. Here's what you're gonna learn, guys. It's not the product that makes the sale. Now, you probably never heard of that before, have you? No, it even sounds stupid, Vic. It does sound stupid. What do you mean it's not the product? Here's the thing, guys. It's almost a given that your product should be something that someone needs, right? That should be a given. In other words, I'm pretty sure you're not out here trying to sell products that you don't think somebody would buy, right? I mean, you're not just selling whatever, like crap, I'm selling a piece of crap, right? It ain't gonna benefit nobody but stink, right? I mean, that doesn't make sense. Why'd you want to do that, right? So obviously, it should be a given that our product automatically should be something that somebody wants. Okay, so what's the problem? Why aren't you guys making sales? It's not probably because you guys don't have a product that doesn't sell, even though debatable depending on which product you have. More products differ in conversions. We all know that, right? Some products do convert better than other products because of some whatever. Okay, so alright, what's the key then, Vic? The key is this, guys. Hold on, I forgot it. What's the freaking key? Oh. Jesus, I forgot what I was going to teach you guys. Oh, here it is. Sorry, it's the sales pitch. You guys agree? It's the sales pitch, guys. The sales pitch is what gets people knocked off the fence, right? Which basically means that means they. Okay, there's different things, guys, like urgency, right? Urgency is a big one, right? In other words, does what you're selling fulfill what they're missing in their life, and can it do it like right now, right? In other words, if what I'm going to buy will actually fill my need, and it do it like now, like hey, I need this need filled like right now, like the sales pitch was what? Making you guys $1,000 over the weekend. Here's the thing though, guys, not $1,000 one time. How about $1,000 per month? I'm gonna actually share with you guys right now today, guys, how you can actually make you can add $1,000 to your monthly income of yours over a weekend. Here's the most important part, in case I forget, guys. I'm a little off today for some reason. In case I forget to tell you, the most important part is the sales pitch. That's why you guys can do it over a weekend. It'll knock people off the fence faster. I'm going to allow you guys to use this same sales pitch that you're watching right now. You guys can watch this. You guys can use the same sales pitch to sell a product of mine that will actually put $1,000 monthly income into your pocket. Okay, all right. So remember that. So what are we going to do? What product are we going to use? Well, I would use a recurring revenue product, guys. Recurring revenue basically means what? You get one customer pays you more than once. I don't want to say forever because they could quit, right? Okay, so what type of program or what kind of product could do that? A membership, guys. A weekly membership. How about a $25 per week membership? Okay, what's in the membership, Vic? Glad you asked. I don't know why I'm referring to myself in a third person now. First person, whatever, I don't know. $25 per week membership. Basically what you're going to, in my membership, guys, which is what I've been promoting since I came in this niche in 2008. I retired in 2006 under the age of 40. Took a year off, got bored. Be honest with you guys, retirement is boring. Alright, I'm not going to lie to you guys. I'm going to put it this way. Once you've done, Key West, freaking Grand Canyon, Paris, Eiffel Tower, freaking Haifa, Israel. Not Haifa, been to Haifa too, but Jerusalem. Been to Jerusalem, guys. I've literally been to the cave where Jesus was born. You guys didn't know it was a cave, did you? It's a manger, but it was actually a cave. And the cave is actually a church built around it now. Anyway, that's pretty cool. And they got a star on the floor where it was born. You could go down in the cave and touch the star. Pretty moving. After you've done all the trips, guys, it's kind of boring after that. And then it's like, what do you do now? Well, that's kind of why I actually came into teaching niche. I figured I'd try to teach you guys what I've learned over all these years. I've been doing this for 20-something years, guys. So I'm teaching you guys now in this niche what I've learned. In other words, if this obstacle comes up, how do you get around that obstacle? What did you do? Well, that's what these membership videos teach you guys. It teaches you, millions of dollars worth of content. You get my 2017 trainings in there, 2018 all year long, guys. 2018 trainings in there all year long, 2019 trainings are in there, and 2020 trainings are in there also. And I'm putting new trainings as we go along. That's what people pay and what you could pay today for $25 per week. Now, why would you want to do that? Because it's 100% commission, guys. I'm allowing you guys now. Used to didn't do this. It used to be 50% commission. I'm allowing you guys 100% commission now. I am also, listen to this, guys, I'm also allowing you to put your very own pay link on the dang program. Let's just go and type that out. On the dang program. That's unheard of, guys. Nobody in this industry has programs to do that. I'm allowing you guys to put your own pay link, guys. This is just like your business is what I'm doing. I'm basically giving you guys a business of your own. And a very lucrative business, and also very profitable and lucrative, and converting. It converts very well. Now, this video here, guys, is a pushing people off the fence video. Why? Well, what we're doing is just getting people's attention by talking about how we can make you $1,000 monthly. Right? I didn't even talk about that, but it is actually monthly, guys. Let me just explain that to you real quick. Okay, if people paying you $25 per week, guys, that basically means you're making $100 per month. Right, from that customer. It's 100% commission, so you're actually getting the $25 per week membership. You are through your pay link. It's your very own pay link. You get to put your own pay link in the back office, guys. Now, there's all kinds of training. The trainings are already there, guys. You can actually get started with this today if you want. If you want to start this weekend, all you need is what? If you're making $100 per month, to be able to add $1,000 per month, you need what? 10 customers. That's it. You're literally 10 members away, guys, from adding an extra $1,000 per month to your income. Now watch this. When I prove to you that this works over a weekend or a few days, whatever, if you want to do it during the middle of the week, that's fine too. I'm just saying it's the weekend because it doesn't matter, guys. Weekend or during the weekday, it doesn't matter. It'll still work. After I prove to you by you coming out here and making these sales real quick, watch this, guys. Why don't you double that? Get another 10 customers. Now you're at 20 customers, which is what? Nope, wrong. It does not equal $2,000 per month. It doesn't equal that, guys. You know what it really equals? It equals your bills get paid by someone else. Now, that's what that really equals. Yes, guys, it's $2,000 per month, but that'll probably pay your bills, right? Don't look at it as $2,000 per month, guys. Come allow my program to allow 20 other people out of the millions of marketers online, allow just 20 of them to pay your bills every month. While everybody else online is struggling, trying to figure out what the freak is wrong, why they're not making sales, why they don't have any home type money, guys, I can teach you how to do this properly. These little things, guys, these little things makes all the difference in the world. Pushing people off the fence is a big deal. So it's, once again, guys, let's recap, just a short recap. It's the sales pitch. It's not the product, right? The product is a given. You better have a freaking product. I don't even want to talk about it. Of course, it's the product, but it's really not the product. It's the sales pitch, guys. I'm going to allow you guys, 20 of you. I'm going to allow 20. This is a little experiment. I'm going to allow 20 of you. So if you want to be part of the 20, here's what you need to do. You need to come down below this video here. This is the program we're going to use. The $25 per week membership, guys, is right below this video. The video you're watching right now is right on top of this video. Scroll down the page and this video will be here. This video pretty much just shows you what you're getting for the $25 per week, the membership, and how this program works, and blah blah blah. When you want to get started, you can create a free account right here. Create your free account by putting your name and your email and you can create a password. And then hit create account. Once you create an account, guys, it's going to go to a confirm page. There's going to be another video, and that video is going to let you get started today for $25. You literally can get started today, guys, adding $1,000 to your monthly income, be able to use this same video that you're watching right now. Guys, straighten up in your chair and listen to me. I hope I'm not making this out to be some super huge sales pitch, because that's not what I want. I want you guys to truly believe that this will work, because it will, and it does, and it already has. I have had over 67,000, as of to date, right at almost 68,000, over 67. Almost 68,000 people have come through this program, guys. This program converts. This program, guys, this is not MLM Junior $25 per week program. It's been in business since 2013. 7 years. Right, it's 2020 now. It's been in business 7 years. So if this does interest you guys, and there's nothing else knocking on your door, possibly going to be able to put $1,000 a month in your pocket, and then $2,000 per month, then $3,000 per month, then $4,000. That's all, guys. Just go in 10 increments. See, let me. I'm sorry. I'm gonna make this video longer than I wanted to. Teach you guys something else. You have to do this in increments, guys. You have to do this in a believable level. You have to. Your brain has to believe what it can do, or it won't go do it. So you don't go out here and go, guys. You don't come out here on my program and go, I'm gonna go get 100 members real quick, man. I'm gonna get 100 members real quick. That's $10,000 per month. I'm gonna get 200 members real quick. Vic, I can do it, man. I'm Fireball, Vic. You ain't met nobody like me. I'm gonna get 200 freaking members. I can do that in 30 days, man. I can do that this weekend probably. 200 members, right? Which is $20,000 per month, right? 200 times $100 per month, or $25 per week. $20,000 per month, guys. Yes, guys. This program is very, very lucrative. You can make as much money as you want with this highly converting offer. Now with this new sales pitch here, which just kind of pushes people off the fence faster, this will actually can push people into your affiliate link faster. So that's what you're going to have. You will be promoting an affiliate link, and they're going to be going through your affiliate link, signing up, and paying you $25 every Friday. You're 10 away. So you do it believable levels, guys, which is increments of 10. So let's just shoot for 10 at a time. Another 10, and then another 10, then another 10, then another 10, then another 10. All of a sudden, guys, you're at 200 freaking members. 6 months. 6 months to a year, you're at 200 members. You're at $20,000 per month. You are now making more money than anybody in your freaking neighborhood. You know what $20,000 per month would do for you guys? You know how some of you guys are trying to be millionaires? Guys, you don't have to be millionaires to live like a millionaire. You don't. Millionaire to me is just freedom, right? We don't worry about money no more, so it's no big deal to us, guys. $20,000 per month, which is $240,000 a year. That right there will allow you to live your life of your dreams, right? You don't need it. I mean, truly, guys, I got more money in savings. I have to put my money in savings because I can't spend it. I can't spend this money. You get to a point, so you don't really need all that much. So what I'm telling you guys don't have to be a millionaire. You guys can just be at $20,000 per month, which is really simple and easy to do in this program, and live the life of your dreams at $20,000 per month, right? I mean, you don't believe me? Go ahead and do it. Do the math, guys. Take a sheet of paper out and write down exactly the life you would have if you were at $20,000 per month. If you were making $20,000 per month, how much would your house payment be? What kind of house would you be living in then? Put down the payment. Well, if you were making $20,000 a month, what kind of car would you be driving, guys? Bugatti, Lamborghini? Was that $2,500 a month? All right, you guys get it? Write down your payments. You will not exceed $20,000 per month. Most of you guys will not. You can live the life of your dreams, guys, through this program. If you're interested, scroll down below this video. Watch this video if you want. So this is like a 20-minute video showing you more in detail. Or if not, if you guys want to get started now, it's $25 to get started. Create your account, guys, and I'll see you guys live. We're also live 3 times a week, guys. 3 times a week. Monday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and Saturday, like today's Saturday. Ooh, it's 12:11. Oh my, I got to go. Got a meeting in 45 minutes. I'm wasting all my energy on y'all guys. Okay. It's Saturday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I don't leave no one behind, guys. You come into my program, if you don't quit on me, I promise you I will not quit on you. I will get your family to what you deserve, guys. Everybody deserves to live a rich life. Why not? That's why God made us. God made us, guys. God said we could be rich. He wants us to be rich. It's more money for the kingdom, guys. Give 10%, tithing right. Now that's another video. Teach you guys about tithing. That's how you continue the money, guys. When you give to God 10%, the money just keeps flowing. It's been my experience. All right, love you guys. If interested, create your account below. Let's get started. It's only $25 to get started, guys. Let's go get you 10 people real quick. All right? It's $1,000 per month. See you guys in the live trainings.